Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on how can you fix Capcut export taking too long. In order to fix the slow Capcut export, you can optimize settings by disabling hardware encoding or enabling HW plus on mobile. So what you want to do is first thing first, you just want to go ahead and locate your settings. Then you want to go ahead and select the apps section from the list. Select see all apps, locate Capcut from the list. When you locate Capcut, you just want to press open that app and make sure to clear your cache and storage. That might also be able to help you out. Now, in some cases, what you want to do is you could also check settings for HW plus decor or force enable HW plus decor for better performance on powerful device, or disable it if you have issues as well. After you're done with that procedure, if the issue still persists on, what next you could also do is you could check the file size as well. So go to Capcut, login. In some cases it might be the file size as well, so you want to make sure to check the file size and limitations as well. If nothing works out, then you could just go ahead and make sure to close all these apps, reset the device, and see whether the issue is being solved or not. So this is how you're going to fix your Capcut export taking too long. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.